Okay, so hopefully your street will now look something like this, that you've added your street lights, you've cloned your street lights up and down the street, and when you render it, you have a nice glow from each street light, and you have a direct light coming into your city, okay? Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create a vertex lighting. So we're going to go over to our helpers menu, utilities, sorry, and we're going to create more, click on the more, and choose assign vertex colors. Okay, turn on the shadows button, and then come down and click assign to selected. On the assign to selected, you may actually have to come in here and select all the lights by clicking off the geometry and selecting the lights, and do all, and then select, and then assign to selected, and then that'll give you the results you want, because before I don't think we actually had anything to assign to. You'll notice the scene is a little dark. That's fine. Okay, to change our lights and make them a little bit brighter, we have to select that first Omni light that we cloned everything else from. So I know that's Omni 1. So make sure you choose Omni 1. Okay, and go over here to the Modify panel. And let's set the multiplier to 2. And then let's turn on the shadows, okay? Which is right here in the shadows parameter. Mine happens to be on already. Okay, and then on the utilities panel, assign vertex color, we're going to choose update all, or assign to selected, which will be the same thing. Okay? Hopefully our Omni light was the first one selected. Now we can see what our scene looks like. We'll go to the rendering panel, and hopefully we'll get a nice view of our scene. Okay? It looks a little bit bright to me. We might want to go back and change the modifier for the Omni 1 to 1.5. Go ahead and do that. This is the end of this part.